Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on addition of whole numbers. Addition is one of the basic operations in mathematics, and students need to be able to perform these operations on different numbers. We need to be able to perform addition on whole or counting numbers, integers, decimals, and fractions. Calculators are very helpful, but knowing how to add without a calculator is a necessary basic skill which needs to be mastered. Let's look at this very simple example, 35 plus 24. The very important thing is to put the numbers under each other in separate columns, and if you remember, that's the units or the ones column, and that's the tens column. So 5 plus 4 is 9, and 3 plus 2 is 5, so you always start on the right hand side and you move across to the left. So that's a very simple sum, there's no carrying, and there it is, 59 is the answer. Example 2, 37 plus 25. 7 plus 5 is 12, that's the units column. Now 12 means you have 2 units and 1 10. So that one there is actually a 10, because that's the tens column. So we add 2, 3 and 1 and we get 6, so that's really 6 tens, so the answer is 62. Example 3, we have the units, tens and the hundreds column. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 2 is 17, carry the 1, that's 13, 16, 17, so put down the 7 and carry the 1. That one there is a 10, and that one there means 100, because it's in the hundreds column. So that gives us 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 1 is 13, so the answer is 1,377. Example 4, we're adding all those numbers here, units, tens, hundreds column. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 9 is 19. Put down the 9 and carry the 1, which is 110. That's 13, 17, 18, plus 7 is 25. Put down the 5 and carry the 2, and that 2 really means 200. 6 and 6 are 12, 15, 20, 22, so 2,259. Example 5, units, tens, hundreds and thousands, so we have 4 columns. So that's 9 plus 2 is 11, 14 plus 3 is 17. So you can add 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3, or 3 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2, it doesn't matter. So that gives you 17, so 7 in the units column and a 1 in the tens column. 9 plus 4 is 13, 15, 18, 19. There's the 9 and there's the 1, which is a 100. When you add all those numbers up there, that gives you 20, 2, 0. So units, tens, hundreds, thousands, that's actually 2,000 there, so that 2 means 2,000. So when you add all those numbers up, you get 25, so the answer is 25,097. You can also solve many problems that require addition, and here's a very basic one. The number of members in each of 4 golf clubs is as follows. Club A, Club B, Club C and Club D, they have all those members. So you put all those numbers down under each other. Remember, very important to put the numbers under each other in the correct columns. And now we add all those together. So the first column gives you 17, that's 7 and there's the 1. The next column gives you 19 when you add all those up, so there's the 9 and there's the 1, which is 100. The third column gives you 14, so there's the 4 and there's the 1. Now that 1 represents 1,000. And when you add those numbers up here, that gives you 20. So 20,497 members. Example 7. The number of people who attended sporting events at 5 different venues were 5,342 for venue A, that many for venue B, that many for venue C, that many for venue D, and that many for venue E. So we put all those numbers down. Let's check if they're correct. 5342, 2749, 3738, 4718 and 6542. So you add all those together and that's 25, that's 29, so there's the 9 and there's the 2. 6 and 4 are 10, 13, 14. That's 18, there's the 8 and there's the 1. That's 12, 19, so that gives you 30 there. So that column there is 30. There's the 3 and there's the 0, so that's really 3,000. That's 10, 15, 23. So 23,089 people attended the 5 venues in total. And example 8, Bill was paid the following amounts of money over 6 consecutive months: January, February, March, April, May, June. Let's check we've got the right numbers: 5643, 3428, 7621, 8732. Where are we up to? 7395 and 3971. So they're all the numbers. So that's 6, 9, 10, 18. So that's 11. Let's check. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 plus 5 is 20. There's the 2 and there's the 0. 16, 19, 21, 23, 27, that's 29. There's the 2 and there's the 9. 12, 19, 25, 29, 37. So there's the 3 and there's the 7. And finally 10, 18, 25, 28, 31 plus 5 is 36. $36,790.